9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
Yeah, I have been having a challenge with the Live MT5 platform where after doing my analysis like this one, this is a Fibonacci tool, and setting my settings here, like I can show you here. I customize my charts. For example, bar down, I make it black, then bar up, I make it blue, then bull candle, I make it blue again, then bear candle, I make it black. I set it, then I click on save. Then I come here, I put there my period separators, they are just here. I remove the show grid, then my chart looks fine like this. This is me, and as you can see, if I turn it to a landscape modes, you can easily see that this is my simple analysis. But what if I told you that if I leave this platform for a few minutes and I come back, everything will have disappeared? That is the problem I'm having. You may not be having this problem, and this is a subjective. Maybe another trader could be having the same problem. But leave alone that one, I've also realized that most of the beginners are still struggling to start trading on day one, more especially without trading knowledge. They are trying to make money in trading even when they don't know anything related to trading, and others yet are still blowing accounts under scams, or what I would call fake signal providers, and the other ones are still looking for a best alternative to copy trading, where you can easily monitor your trade. What if I told you that you have one single solution to fix all those problems, where I'm inclusive, where my analysis won't disappear again? At the end of this video, I'll come back to this the Live MT5, and you'll see what I'm meaning. Everything will have disappeared. Now, the only solution that is waiting for you is the Live cTrader, another trading platform for CFDs, where you can analyze charts and everything remains there. And you, the best part, you will have the most reputable signal provider. So this is the application I'm talking about, the Live cTrader. Once I open it, this is the interface. Here it is the watch list, just as you can go to quotes in MT5, and you will be able to find all the assets that you have so far added on your trading portfolio. And if you look here, these are the positions which are open, and these are the orders which haven't been triggered. And if you scroll from right to left, these are price alerts, history, and transactions. And the best part is that if I go to this option that shows copy, this is where you can do copy trading. And if you come here to blotter, because I promised you that you can get free signals, and this is the main intention of today's video, where you can use signals as the best alternative to copy trading, and you can start trading right away even after watching this video, because all it requires you is to get a signal that has the entry, the stop loss, and the take profit. You set and wait. Okay, you have to do nothing. And if you have some little knowledge, you can continue tracking or monitoring how your trade is going. And everything is very simple here. So let's continue. If you come here to blotter, this is where you are going to find the signals early in the morning. I repeat, early in the morning, you will be finding signals here. So in the morning today, before recording this video, I took some screenshots, because you can find these are just the news. They are just the news about different current pairs, both in in crypto, in forex, commodities, etc. But now in the morning, you are going to be finding their signals or setups from a reputable platform. Most of the gurus, most of the brokers, including Believe, including XM, including XNS, use, and that is none other than Trading Central. I have made two videos. Number one, to walk you through this cTrader platform on mobile version and on PC, and I'll leave the links in the description. And I have also made a video about this very Trading Central, right? So let's show you a screenshot. Let me show you the screenshot of what I mean. And you can see this analysis was done by Trading Central. It was showing the entry, which was a sell, and you are supposed to pick your quantity, which means your lot size. I advise you that when you are taking these signals, you use the minimum lot size. Okay, then they are going to show you the take profit and the stop loss. If you are using one lot size on Ethereum USD, you will be risking 35.92 and you will be taking a profit at $77. But as I am telling you, it depends on the capital you have. As for me, because I'm trying this on a real account, I had to take up the minimum lot size, which was 0.1. okay, and the next signal, of course, I'm going to take you back to the cTrader platform and I show you those positions because they are still running. I had $27, and as you can see, okay, my real account I also show you. There was here, and the sale was this one, and the assets was a coin actually in cryptocurrency, which is XRP. okay, so it was on 30 minutes time frame, and you can see the quantity for them. We are using 100 lot size. That was the minimum, and that is what I used. They were expecting price to fall up to 1.4192, which was the target. Okay, so I took those trades and they are still running. So let's get back to the Live cTrader. In the evening, you are going to be seeing only news, but in the morning, you are going to be seeing these signals. The floating balance currently is 24.89. I began with 27, but when I say floating, it has not been realized. The trades are still moving on. So if I come back here to trade, you can see I have only one open position, which is of Ethereum USD. The other one was about XRP. Let me see if I was kicked out because my balance has reduced. You come and click here to enlarge the charts. Yes, my TP has been taken out. You can see now price is rolling up because my TP was here. Okay, my TP was here and I have been taken out. And one thing I want to tell you is using proper risk management. This is okay for me because first of all, I was risking $2. Let me go to history. Yes, you can see the trade which I have lost. This one I pressed the button mistakenly and I lost 0.16. So the next trade was where I was risking $2. So you can see I've lost in total $2.18. Although I don't usually use signals, I'm just doing it for my beginners using a real account to see if it is viable. In other words, I'm first dipping my toes before actually letting you do it using your real money. Me, I'm using real money. You can also try it using your demo account, but I'll also update you if you like. Of course, you just comment in this video that I need updates in future, so I'll make a video to see if I blew my $27 or if it is still there and if it increased. Okay, if you want to open a new order following the signal, because to be having a stop loss, the entry and take profit, you click on this new order icon. Okay, so once you tap there, you are going to see if you're going to use instant market execution to enter immediately, or use limit order or stop limit. Usually I use these two, but when it is signals, you have to base on one, which is a limit order. Okay, because these prices are going to give you an entry either for instant or a pending limit which will be triggered later. So For example, I prefer using this one. Once you do that, if it is a sell limit, you place on sell. If it is a buy, you place on buy. So for a sell limit, you come, because they have given you the figures like I showed you in the screenshot. Let me again show you. For example, for Ethereum, this is it. Okay, they show you that the entry is 2337. Okay, 085. You come back here. Okay, you come back here and you put it there as the entry what price, 2337,085. So if you want to enter, then if you want to, me, what I do, I don't click on take profit, stop loss, break even. What I do, the moment I have this one, I click on place order, and after clicking on placing order, I come back to the chart. Once you tap on your entry, because it will show here, it will give you these options of stop loss and take profit. So you are meaning this one. This is what I was showing you. You can cancel or it remains there. So for example, let me drag this one here. The moment I release, it will be there. Okay, just as that position modified, the same as stop loss. So, and I will be targeting $8.69 while I'm risking 2.35. Under my trading plan, I don't, if I have a small account below $100, I don't risk above $5 per trade. So that's it. Now let me show you what I was trying to mean. If I get back to, for example, to buy MT5, you will notice that something has changed. Are you seeing? This is not how I left the chart. Everything I had analyzed, even because we are on C1, okay, are you seeing everything has disappeared? So that's why I've moved my funds from MT5 to cTrader. In summary, one trade, one signal has lost. I have lost. So the other one is still running. So I've just begun. Of course, I knew this opportunity exists, and I want to continue observing how accurate these signals could be. Okay, so that is the end of today's video. Until next time, continue winning.